Draw me with these special effects. Nice effects, very creative. I would rather draw a good-looking person, not you. I am better looking than you. I knew I shouldn't have gotten into this. I am sorry, I digress. Vincent and Vincent, thank you as always for joining me. It is Vincent, it is French. I know, you can't always expect Americans to pronounce things correctly in other languages. Not Dutch either. I mean, we learn other languages, but that doesn't mean we pronounce things good. You mean well. Well what? I mean... never mind. Vincent from America, please tell these students of this course why you decided to draw a wet face. Is it something that fascinates you? Do you like water? Well, yes and no. I think water distorts the light that shines on a person's face. And when each drop does this, it creates kind of an interesting effect. I could see that, yeah. Yeah, and I have seen other artists do it as well, both with pencil and with paint. So that's why I was intrigued and I decided to include it. Can you show us some of these artists? For sure. Here are some sketches of people with wet faces. Very nice. I appreciate realistic art like that. Sure, it's nice, I admit. Yes, these artists are some real professionals. Are you paying attention, Vincent from these Netherlands? Yes, you French idiot. What was that? Yes, I thought you were coughing, but I also thought you were saying an insult. No, of course not. Okay, here we go again. These two are like water and fire. Yes, and E is typically the fire. But you are Peter's idiot. D'accord, I see what's going on here. I find myself having a little cough as well. A stupid Dutch boy. You are the worst. You are terrible at art. But your nose is ugly. And your act as well. Guys, can you knock it off? Neither of you have a cold. You're not really coughing. I try to be reasonable, but this Vincent from the Netherlands is an insane, stupid moron. Thanks, Vincent. I didn't really need an explanation. Yes, he does. Because he is too stupid as well. Oh, come on, Vincent. You see, he will go on and on. So will you. Well, I quit doing it, didn't I? Can we all just quit it? Can we all just... Ha! You hypocrite. You just joined the fun. No, that was a real cough. What do you mean? That was a... I must say, Vincent from America, you are not very convincing. Ah, get out of here.